The XER Toolkit can quickly and simply export schedule information into a Microsoft Excel worksheet. Open the projects that you want to include in the worksheet, and then choose the appropriate layout from the Schedule drop-down menu. For this tutorial, we will use the All Activities option. You can customize what to include in your Microsoft Excel worksheet by collapsing rows, or using the layout tools at the top of the screen. Once you have the appropriate settings in place, click the Export button on the top right of the screen. Adjust the export options as you require, and then click OK. The toolkit will then generate and download the worksheet. The produced worksheet is a standard Microsoft Excel workbook that can be shared with and viewed by anyone with the appropriate software.